Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Making some more coasters again, this time for Buck Frenzy. What is Buck Frenzy, you ask? Well, it's a dads and kids weekend where we do camping, shooting, hiking, exploring, playing games, that sort of thing. Several years ago when we first started this, we came up with a product called Buck Frenzy. It's an imaginary product that cures everything and cures nothing all at the same time. This particular coaster is the warning label that we came up with for the product. Lots of contradictory items on there, such as promotes hair growth, but also promotes baldness, that sort of thing. It's all tongue-in-cheek and lots of fun. You can pause the video here to see some of the warnings we've created. We've kind of adopted this cartoon of a hunter being chased by a crazed deer as the logo for Buck Frenzy. That last coaster was an image. This is more of an edge trace to see the difference between the two. This one prints much faster. Time to do some experimenting with the Blaze orange paint. Let's see how that burns in comparison with the white paint. I'll burn the same image, one with the orange paint, one with white paint, and then we'll compare the results. I did forget to turn off my good buddy flood fill, so the printing seems a little random on this. It is optimized though for printing speed. Now I will burn that again, this time using a white painted tile. As with every tile, the first thing is to make sure that I put it down squarely with the laser. One of these days I will need to come up with a fixture so I don't have to keep doing this. It wouldn't be Buck Frenzy without someone shouting, "Do I smell tacos?" We typically do have walking tacos for one of the meals. Let's take a quick side-by-side look at these two. The white painted one is on the right, the orange is on the left. The white painted one certainly leaves a more black image behind. On the orange one, it's much lighter, and it turns out that it didn't really leave the residue like the black one does. It really kind of cut into the tile. Under close examination, there's little cracks and such in there, so definitely not the way to go. Since I smell tacos is such a popular phrase at Buck Frenzy, I'm going to print several of these so that the kids can choose which one they want, and I'm hoping that I Smell Tacos will be popular. One of the games that we enjoy playing, both kids and dads, is Octoball. Our host built a nice Octoball arena for us to play in, and it is popular almost every single day that we're up doing Buck Frenzy. Also printing out just a quick Glasgow Ranch replica of a thing that I did on the router on a piece of wood that's hanging up on the wall up at the lodge. Trying a different method here, just going left and right versus the 45-degree angle. I'd like to compare the difference to see if there's any visible differences. Turns out the 45-degree angle does make a nicer burn for whatever reason. This one seemed to leave a few streaks. Not a big deal. They're coasters after all. While printing some more of our Buck Frenzy cartoons, there was an issue with light burn and my computer. I don't know which one crashed first, but light burn crashed and then my computer crashed when I tried to continue. So this was, well, kind of a failure. After rebooting the computer, I got back to burning. I wasn't able to adjust this exactly to the same 0 point, so when I restarted the burn, it turned out a little fuzzy. The other 4 were just fine.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.